equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the charging port on your Lenovo IdeaPad. This is a crucial repair that can restore your laptop's functionality. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your device. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small components. Begin by powering off your Lenovo IdeaPad and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the back cover. This typically involves unscrewing several Phillips screws located around the edges of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the back cover is off, locate the charging port. It is usually situated near the power button. Before proceeding, take a moment to inspect the area for any dust or debris. A clean workspace is essential for a successful repair. Using your spudger, gently disconnect the battery from the motherboard. This step is crucial to ensure your safety while working on the device. If you feel uncertain about this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. Now, focus on the charging port. You will see that it is connected to the motherboard with a few screws. Carefully unscrew these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. Keep them organized, as you will need them to secure the new port. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the charging port out of its socket. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. If you find it difficult to remove, a little wiggling with the spudger can help. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Now, take your new charging port and align it with the socket. Press it down gently until it clicks into place. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure it is firmly in place to avoid any future issues. Next, reconnect the battery to the motherboard. This is a simple process. Just align it correctly and press down until it clicks. Before reassembling the back cover, it's a good idea to test the new charging port. Plug in your charger and check if the laptop powers on. If it does, you're on the right track. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. This way, you can make an informed decision without any surprises. Finally, replace the back cover by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws. Make sure everything is tight and secure. Once done, power on your Lenovo IdeaPad and enjoy your newly functioning charging port. Remember, if you need help at any stage, we are here to assist you with no calls, no travel, just a simple solution at your fingertips. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.